She's a good hustler. She's so good at blocking, and she's really good at stealing, and she's really good at stopping fast breaks because she always hustles with the defence and keeps everyone going.
She's really fast as well, and if the player gets past her, she doesn't give up and she just runs back and gets it again.
She always tries hard in training, and she's always getting back first for defence. And in games, she's always looking for a front court steal, and most of the time she gets it.
I think she's awesome, and she doesn't know who wrote the diary of Anne Frank is. Also, she's a really good team player and gives passes even though she's got the basket there. And she supports her teammates no matter what and keeps her head up throughout the game.
Want to stop, everybody want to stop. This beat is outrageous, so contagious, make you crave it. Jazzy made it. So retarded, top charted. Ever since the day I started, struck my stuff and yes I flaunt it. Goodies make the boys jump on it.